We are the first one to raise the issues of Puspa Banda Palace. जैसे कि आपने क्वेश्चन किया, आप लोग क्यों चुप है? अभी जब राजबाड़ी पैलेस का नाम चेंज करना वाला था, हम लोग किया था. Now you also ask why they want to do that. You ask the previous government, that is the CPM. Please ask them why are they doing that. Why have they changed the name of Stable to Swami Vivekananda? Please ask them also. Now, regarding Puspa Banda Palace, see, we are very clear. Our stand is very clear. We are not against any development coming to Tripura. We are not against 5-star. But the cultural heritage should be preserved. And there should not be cultural genocide. I'm seeing, maybe I will use the term cultural genocide. We are seeing some other places. So we don't want that to be happen. Let the 5-star be open. It is for the welfare of the people. But at the same time, there's the culture, the heritage culture should be preserved. That is what we are asking for.
पैसे के लिए
महाराज तो कल बोल दिए कि कुछ करोड़ रुपया मिल गया तो पैसे के लिए इसको इतने दिन रोक के रखा था क्या?
पैसे के लिए it is not right for me to answer on behalf of him. But
आप लोग को इसके लिए आंदोलन नहीं दिखाया.
हम बोलेगा let the development come, but there should be for the indigenous people also. अभी इधर आया, we are also demanding for, so that our people, for we are also demanding for the reservation of maybe jobs in the hotel. Let the indigenous community get, not only indigenous, but there should be reservation. Let it be, let the development come. That first of all, culture should be protected, heritage should be protected, but at the same time, that does not. Our main demands will be, we are demanding, we are also talking. We want development, of course, but let there be reservation for the indigenous people in getting jobs in the hotel or anywhere. Let the touch also open some big institute in Kumlung or in other places in the ADC area. We welcome.
नहीं, महाराज का पहले तो नारा था यहाँ पे कुछ होटल बनने नहीं देंगे, अगर बनाना ही है खुमलुंग में हम जगह देंगे, वहाँ पे बनाओ. अभी जब पैसा मिल गया तब वो उसको क्यों छोड़ दिया? आप लोगों भी मुद्दा उठाया था कि वहाँ पे होटल नहीं बनना चाहिए कि वो हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग है. जब अभी आप लोगों के सामने कल महाराज जी ने बता दिया कुछ करोड़ रुपया मिल गए, अभी और भी लाएंगे पैसा, तो पैसा ही मैं उनके सामने सबसे बड़ा है. हेरिटेज उनके सामने कोई मायने नहीं रखता क्या?
आप लोग इसके खिलाफ क्यों नहीं दिए?
See, what so far as I know, I think this question should be asked to him. But Maharaj never said to destroy the cultural heritage of Tripura. He is not asked to demolish the Puspa Banda Palace. He is asked, as far as I know, and as far as our stand, cultural heritage buildings should be preserved. And I think Maharaj also is there. I'm not the right person to speak on behalf of him. I'm not the right person. But I've not seen him against the demolition of cultural heritage. But I've never seen. Now, what about the Matabari? Sorry, this is Kharsi. Please ask the government, what are they doing there? You are doing something? खैरपुर में जो अभी कर रहा है बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, तो उसका कल्चरल जेनोसाइड नहीं है? कल्चरल को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए नहीं है वो? नाउ रिगार्डिंग पुष्पा बंदा पैलेस, we are not against the, we are not against the development coming 5-star coming to Tripura, but there should be preservation of culture, history of the